So this is the Furassic World Adoption event, and the shelter is decorated to be like a jungle, and there are dinosaur eggs scattered around that contain adoption discounts. So this week, for our Furassic World event, you can hatch your adoption discount of 25 to 100% off all of our adoptable animals. So this event was inspired by the release of one of the Jurassic World movies coming out this week. And when they enter the shelter, our goal is for them to feel immersed in a jungle environment and to be excited about visiting a shelter and helping a homeless pet. Our volunteers were integral to this. There's actually one of our volunteers, Cody, who came up with this idea. So they painted the doors of the shelter to look like the Jurassic Park doors going into the park. They hung vines around the shelter. There are dinosaur footprints on the floor. There are handmade nests to hold these handmade papier-mâché eggs that look amazing. And just a lot of really fun things happening. We do all kinds of events throughout the year. This one is unique in that it's not tied to a holiday like July 4th. So this event is June 19th through the 23rd, and it's all week long with adoption specials for every animal all week. We still want people to come out after this event. The shelter won't be quite so fancy or jungle-like then, but we welcome adopters all year round during events and not during events.